You charge your iPhone before going to sleep, leave it untouched overnight, and wake up to find a surprising amount of battery missing. If this started after installing iOS 26.6, check these 5 settings before assuming your battery is damaged. Battery experiences after iOS 26.6 are not identical. Some users report improvement while others report continued drain. That means there is no single confirmed result covering every iPhone model. Before changing anything, open Settings and select Battery. Examine the graph covering the hours when you were sleeping. Look for background activity, notifications, or an application running while the screen was off. Also check for an ongoing iOS update message. Apple explains that some update-related work continues in the background after installation and may temporarily affect battery life and temperature. The first setting is Background App Refresh. Open Settings, General and Background App Refresh. Do not disable everything immediately. Look at the battery screen first and restrict only applications showing unnecessary background activity. Social media, shopping, cloud storage, and news applications do not always need to refresh throughout the night. Turning off background refresh for an unnecessary application does not prevent you from opening or using it normally. The second setting is Location Services. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Examine applications set to always. For applications that do not need constant location access, change the permission to while using the app or never. Keep permanent access enabled for services that genuinely need it, such as safety or device tracking features. The third setting is Notifications. Notifications can wake the device to retrieve and display new information. Open Settings and select Notifications. Disable unnecessary alerts from promotional, shopping, and entertainment applications. Keep important messages, security alerts, banking notifications, and emergency information enabled. The fourth area is the display. If your iPhone supports an always-on display, open Settings, Display and Brightness, and temporarily disable always-on display to compare overnight consumption. Also check auto lock and screen brightness. These settings mainly affect battery while you are using the phone, but correcting them can reduce the total drain you experience throughout the day. The fifth setting is Power Mode. Open Settings, select Battery, and then Power Mode. Low Power Mode temporarily reduces background activity and automatic fetching. Supported iPhones may also offer adaptive power. Apple says adaptive power can make small performance adjustments and limit background activity when the device expects unusually high power usage. After making these changes, restart your iPhone once. Charge it under similar conditions and compare the next night's battery graph with the previous night. Do not judge the result using only the percentage displayed in the morning. Check which application or system activity consumed the power. That information is more useful than randomly disabling additional features. If the battery continues draining heavily after update-related background activity has finished, open Battery Health. Check the maximum capacity and whether iOS displays a service recommendation. Persistent overheating, unexpected shutdowns, interrupted charging, or a battery service warning should be investigated by Apple support or an authorized service provider. To recap, examine the overnight battery graph, check background app refresh, review location services, reduce unnecessary notifications, test the display settings, and enable an appropriate power mode. Comment with your iPhone model and approximately how much battery it loses overnight. For the complete iOS 26.6 problems guide, watch the previous TechDaily AI video shown on screen now.